welcome. I forget to show you my Pulsatilla vulgaris Rote Glöcke in the video. So this is a 3-year-old plant and it has 11 flower buds. It comes up with these hairy buds covered with these bracts, and then they start to flower. And these are my new Clematis from Poland, which I got, so I'm very happy about them. These are all integrifolia hybrids, so I really wanted to show you because this is really a really nice spring addition to the garden. And also I have my Erica in flower, so spring is here, and unfortunately in the southern hemisphere autumn is here because we have opposite seasons there. So thank you for your attention, see you next time, bye bye.